Okay, next up we have a waist clip fan. So, very nice packaging. Let's get a knife cutter. Cut it open. I got the green one. So this is going to be the strap. USB-C. Actual fan. User manual. This one looks pretty slim in the photos. It's got the nice see-through. You gotta clip belt, your belt clip. Is this a belt clip? No, this is just for design. You can slip your shirt here. The belt clip is actually at the back. So you would pop it up into your belt and then the shirt here so the air can go up. So, ooh, you also can do this as a stand and have it on the table. So let's see if this is on. Hold, this is 1%, 90 battery, 2, level 2, use the user manual. Sorry, hold on. Up to 5. That's how loud it is. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is how loud it is. I'm gonna test it out. But it looks really nice. Let's see. Okay, I somewhat tested it out. Looks great. It's lightweight, not too heavy. It looks like a power bank. Looks like my Game Boy actually. But I think it is a little bit on the weaker side, unfortunately. But I haven't tested it out when it is a heat wave. But looks stunning. Waist clip fan. So we'll see. We'll see if this is going to be pretty good or not. Stay tuned.